The one that I not want is this cookie and the popcorn. Oh my god! Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to open my first ever standing Sonny Angel, and I bought the sweet series. The plastic is already come off. I'm too excited and I forgot to press the record button, but here I choose this series because I really want the pudding one. My first ever Sonny Angel is not this one. My first ever is the hippo one, which I will show you after this. So after I open this, I will show you my all video that I have opened Sonny Angel. So this one is my first normal one, understanding one. Here, can you guys see that? I don't know how can I make this focus. So this is all the option. The one that I want the most is the pudding one. The one that I not want is this cookie and the popcorn. Yeah, I really want the pudding. If I got the rest, it's fine for me. But I hope I got this pudding. Look at it, it's so cute. So I hope I got the pudding one because I really want the pudding. I don't want a cookie or popcorn. Let's see. How to do that. Oh, I just broke it. Oh no. That's okay. Wait. Oh! It doesn't have like the collectible paper like the hippo one. Oh. Okay, so this is it. Oh my god, wait! I saw the blue color on the hole. I actually saw the blue color. I not want to feel it. I will open it straight away. Okay. 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 Look at this piece, it's so cute. Please, not cookie or popcorn. Not cookie or popcorn. I don't want it. I want pudding. And I saw blue color. If it's cupcake also blue, that's fine. I'll take it. Please, not popcorn or cookie, please. I got popcorn. I just said that I don't want popcorn or cookie, and I got popcorn. Well, but it's actually cute though. But I don't want it. I don't want popcorn. Like, okay, he cute, but
ไม่เหรอพี่ของพี่เขาเป็นหนูมันไม่ได้ใช่ไหมมันหนักมากเสือแน่เลยสิงโตมันจะเป็นเฮ้ยอามาพี่แกพี่แกอามาพี่แก
Reverse. I ain't tripping the grip in my purse. I don't care, cause he did it first. If he cheating,